Maniniwala ka ba kapiso na yung 50,000 megit ko na commission ngayon ay nag-umpisa lang sa isang post? Walang nakapansin dun sa unang post ko. Walang nag-like, walang nag-message, pero nag-post pa rin ako. Bali araw-araw kahit walang benta hanggang sa may pumasok na isa. Tapos isa pa, hanggang sa may sumunod pa. Yun ang sekreto. Isang post kada araw hanggang mapansin ka ng mundo. Would you believe that my 50,000 commission started with one post? When I posted the first time, no one cared. Most people would stop here, but I didn't. I posted again and again, even when I felt invisible, even when I doubted myself. Until one day, someone messaged. One sale came, then another, then more. That tiny first step, it became 50,000 more.